What's going on, YouTube? I'll give you a little bit of a morning POV drive with me. I love that it's the time of the year where I can just roll the windows down, enjoy the fresh air. Towards the end, I'll roll the windows up so y'all can hear the actual card. So I might even do a little 0 to 60 or something. Altima game. It's a black SL. Trying not to shake though. So guys, as far as any services I've had done on the vehicle, let's kind of just walk on through that. See, I bought it, and so far I've only had to put basic oil changes and tire rotations. So far I think at around late 30,000s was when it was due for, it was starting to need brakes. So went ahead and had all new brakes put around that time. I think at about 40 something thousand, it started needing new tires. They were getting pretty close to done with. I mean, I probably could have kept them good, I don't know, maybe like 3,000 to 5,000 miles extra than I did, but I just decided to go ahead and get all new tires put around. Let's see, at 30,000, did get his first CVT service done, so with that one, it did go to Virginia, Florida, and then back to Virginia again. So it did like round trips wise, like 8,000 miles worth of round trip driving. So I wanted to go ahead and just get that done again. So I had it done about a month and a half ago at about 54,300 something. Other than that, it's pretty much just been basic oil changes and tire rotations. She loves this cool weather though, let me tell you that. She'll be wanting to go. Other than that, guys, interior wise, I kind of do a little walk around whenever I'm getting out the vehicle, kind of show you all the vehicle. It's holding up pretty good for, it was 5 years old in August. It's got a 08-18 build date. Holding up well. Not giving me any issues besides the low washer fluid sensor at around 12,000 miles. That sensor was going bad. It always said I needed fluid when it was full. But it didn't bother me that bad. I didn't get it done until like 22,000 miles. Sometimes it was just intermittent. It would actually just, it would work properly. Any more updates? No, not really, y'all. Good car, I recommend them if you know how to maintain a vehicle. If you want to just hop in a car, jump in it, not put your parking brake on, not maintain it, and all that, you can probably drive anything and it ain't gonna last you very long because you just aren't a very good owner. And the thing is, Nissan tends to get like the lower end spectrum of customers that really don't give a fuck. Sorry, I mean, pardon my cursing, but it's just the truth. Get the people that do care, and then you got people like my buddy, his channel, OCCC Kid 123. His Altimas have like 300,000, 400,000 miles on them. His 2019 has like 180 something thousand already. If you know how to get them maintained and take care of them, they'll last you. Good maintenance is pretty key to everything. So I did my very first 0 to 80 in this. Right here, up here. I'm waiting for these people to move out my way. I'm just gonna book it. Ready? I've never burnt out like that. Big Altima energy. Excuse the wind. Guess I can roll up some of this. I'm gonna try it again right here. Let's see, no popos. I'm gonna stop. And I'm gunning. It's just for y'all. I love my YouTubers, my subscribers. I really appreciate y'all. I know I've been slacking. It's really, I be going through my own personal, you know, being in your late 20s, you're almost 30. I don't know, you just be overthinking everything you're doing in life and the things you want to change and what, you know, the things you could be doing better. And sometimes I put my own self in a little funk, and I really do it to myself. But I'm not gonna be that way. Just gotta pull myself out of that shit and create the content that my people are wanting. Yeah, I don't be driving my car like that for y'all. I hardly ever do it. Obviously, I'll floor it if I'm gonna floor it. I don't care what I'm driving. But I'm gonna tell y'all something in the comments, or in this video. Y'all tell me in the comments if I should upload it, or like, I don't know. I just had a passenger in the road, so it didn't really make the best time, and it was honestly not the fastest thing in the world. But I was trying to top out the road one day. That was like, honestly, this is how delayed I am on updating y'all. I've got plenty of stuff in my camera film, but I just don't take the time to, like, I don't know, I don't know, I have to feel good about it before I just put it on my channel. But I was trying to top out the road. I got it to 129, but then I ran out of road. Would y'all want to see that? I started at like 80 something, and then from there I kind of get it to 129, and then I ran out of road, so I had to stop the video. But y'all let me know in the comments if I should put that on here or not. I hope the trash hasn't been taken out yet. Give y'all a quick little walk around. That's kind of loud, but I think the rubber seals are getting dirty, so as soon as this little girl ever goes, I'll get out here and do a little walk around. Go on, stink.